Hi everyone, my name is Calvin Zhao, a junior from Lindbergh High School in California. In just last year in my home state, 7,000 wildfires burned a total of 320,000 acres in the state, costing lives, billions of dollars, on top of harming biodiversity by threatening ecosystems. Traditional detection methods for wildfires often fall short under adverse conditions such as fog, clouds, and struggle with speed, and thus lead to late wildfire detection. This is where A2D2 comes in, a game-changing innovation revolutionizing wildfire detection. A2D2 is the first ever AI-driven autonomous drone-based detection network that automates a drone fleet's patrol for areas and also analyzes real-time imagery for prompt wildfire detection. I've developed a working prototype using deep computer vision models that achieved a 90% detection accuracy, deep reinforcement learning models to control drone piloting and simulations, and implemented path planning algorithms to cover vast areas while determining the optimal patrol height and camera tilt angle of 80 feet and 45 degrees. As the wildfire detection technology market is projected to reach $1.2 billion by 2031 at a CAGR of 5.81% each year, this innovation is needed now more than ever. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey as A2D2 aims to create a safer tomorrow.